For rent to single family or not more than 2 unrelated persons starting June 1st. 240 Palancar in Hilltop Mankato. This property offers 1,169 square feet on the main level with an additional 1,169 in the lower level. Wide open floor plan offers a large foyer, big open living room and kitchen combo dining and center island with patio door to deck. 3 bedrooms and bath up and 1 bedroom and full bath down. Double attached garage and nice yard space. Rent is $2,200 a month with renters paying for all utilities, lawn maintenance and snow removal. Text or PM me at 507-420-5435.